everybody, I'm going to make a wall streamer with origami fish. So all you need is 3 different colors. Right now I'm going to make all of the big fish. So here's the blue I'm going to use. It's a nice square sheet of paper, dark pink, and then light pink. So I'm going to use the same design for each sheet, and then all we're going to use for the small fish are just smaller square sheets of paper. So these are going to be the big fish. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start working on my origami fish just like this. Fold it in half one time. Fold it in half another time to make your guidelines. Make like a paper airplane on one half, and then turn it around and do the same thing. So this is pointing to the left, and then I'm going to bring up one side of it, unfold one side of it, and bring this point down over here. So you're like making a kite. Okay, see that? Like so. So your fish should look like this right now. And you want to do the same thing with the other side. You can bring out the flap from underneath and then bring it up and then match it with the other half. There's different ways you can make origami fish, but this is just one of them. Okay, then we're almost done. We're going to fold this tail into the center point here, just like so. And then fold it down on the back. So here you are, you've got your origami fish, and it looks like that. So I can do the other ones as we go, same exact thing. Fold it in half, both ways. Make like a paper airplane. I'm going to do this a little bit faster, so because we already went through the steps. But what's really neat is that you can use different kinds of colored paper to make your decorations. And you can even use like colored pencil to decorate the paper before you fold it. Done that before. You can use like marker, put dots on it, or like hearts, or you know, stripes, anything you like to decorate the paper before you fold it. The most important thing though is that you have the right size paper, like a nice square that you can just buy them like this. So here's my dark pink fish, all ready and folded. So it looks like that. Next, time for my blue fish. Same thing. All right. Make my guidelines. And after I'm done with all of these, I'm going to punch holes in them in the back, and then just put them on my streamer. I'll probably need maybe a little bit of tape to make sure that they stick to the part of the string that I'm going to hang them on. And you could also have hooks to hook up your streamer somewhere. But it's completely up to you. You can also use tape just to hang up your streamer. Whatever you think looks best with your craft. Okay, so then I'm also going to take my markers that I have on the side and just make little eyes for them. They're really cute. So right now they're all going one way. Right? So I'm so happy about my fish. I can take this kind of marker. It's archival ink. A nice black pen that's like waterproof. And make eyes for them. Each one. The lighter colors will be able to show up better. If you have really dark paper, then you might want to make like a white, cut out like a white eye, and then put like this kind of dark, the dark pupil on there. But luckily these papers are light enough, so it was easy for me to put the dark circles on, and you could see them. All right, so stay tuned for the next part where I make the small fish. All right, see you soon.